Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Now I'm going to be doing some headlight restoration today and also fitting them if I can. I'm going to have to rip the bumper off again. Everything I do on this car just seems to be taking the chuffing front bumper off and it's an absolute nightmare. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, this is the Civic EK Coupe or the Civic EM1 Civic Budget Build, the Cheap Civic Build if you like. And I'm building this car just because I want to. I want to make it look half decent, and I'm hoping to do a build where it gets to the point where it's like a recreation of what I wanted to build when I was younger. You know, like teenage years, playing Need for Speed, stuff like that. This is hopefully going to be that car. Time will tell if it goes that far, but for today we've got some EK9 style headlights. So that if you don't know, that's like the black sort of coloured headlights. So the surrounds, the headlight surrounds inside, they're black, and it just makes the car look a bit more aggressive. And it's what the EK9 had from factory. These aren't official headlights; they are aftermarket headlights. It does look as though these lights have been pulled apart, painted, put back together. But I got them from my friend over in France, the France Fast and Furious Eclipse, or the Fast and Furious Eclipse France, whatever that is. I'll drop his thing below anyway, his Instagram. Really cool guy. He posted me them over. Hopefully, touch wood, we'll get to fitting them today. So that's the plan for today anyway, getting the headlights, 1 restored and 2 fit if we can. So yeah, let's crack on and get to it. So these are the headlights. As you can see, they need a good restoration because they've got a yellow tinge to them, but the like black sort of backing to them, don't know if you can see that on camera. It's got like a metallic, almost like a metallic fleck to it, like a metallic flake. But yeah, as you can see, they are just black headlight surrounds, and they just make the car look a bit more aggressive. So that's what I've got. And if you can imagine them, I just think they'd set the car off just that bit more. That one's not as bad, not got that much fade in it. I'll still give it a good go over there. There are some scratches. That's quite a deep scratch up top there, I don't know if you can see that. So I bought this little kit off eBay. It comes with like a little piece for your drill, like a velcro backed buffing disc if you like, for your drill, so you can use it with a normal drill. It comes with pads with different levels of abrasion, so you've got your different steps as well. Step 3 there, step 2 polishing paste. I'm guessing step 1's to use some sandpaper and a bit of lubricant. It's got like a little pack for each headlight. Yeah, it's quite a comprehensive kit, to be fair. Tape as well to tape your stuff off. Quite a lot of sandpaper discs. So there's 2000 there, 1200. So by the look of it, it's 2 800s, 2 1200s, 2 2000s. So I'm guessing that's going to be step 1 in that order. P800 going first, then P1200, P2000, then into step 2, then on to step 3, and then we should have some nice shiny looking headlights. This little kit then, I'm quite impressed actually for the dosh. I think it was £8. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Got a little instruction book here, DIY headlight restore. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Got like a really old bowl as the first step, is to wet sand. I'm going to probably start on the worst headlight just to make sure I can see like a result. The benefit of not doing this obviously while they're on the car is that I don't have to tape up around the headlight, so I might save myself some masking tape there. But yeah, I can get right up to the edges as well without worrying and just do a proper job of it really. So yeah, I'm going to crack on now and I'll put you guys in a quick time lapse just while I get this one started. So it's exactly how I thought it would be, in that I hit it with the 800 grit and it was like, oh crap, what have I done? and then I hit it with the 1200 and it was like, alright, I see where this is going. And you hit it with the 2000 and it leaves a very smooth to the touch misty finish. So that is ideal now to be buffed out. The main thing is that it's not yellow anymore. You couldn't use them headlights as they are, but they're certainly not yellow, which means I can polish them. So that's what I'm going to do next. I won't bore you with doing the second headlight. I'll just I'll get that done in my own time. I think the second headlight. This one though, I'm going to now move on to stage 2 and give it a good polish with the stage 2 polish stuff. So I've been grafting away and it's an absolute nightmare so far. It's just a proper graft, but the results are starting to show. Now I genuinely think that in the kit you should have been given more of the 1200 and 800, primarily the 800 to be fair, just because it's hard to get that initial coat off, and as you saw in the time lapse I was just destroying them little sanding discs that you're given. But I've gone through the sanding discs. I've also gone through stage 2, or part way through stage 2, and I'm waiting for my drill to charge again. And I'm going to have another go with stage 2 because I've not done enough with the 800 grit. I'm having to do more on the stage 2. But yeah, hopefully it'll look alright once it's done. So I've just done the last step, and it seems to be this step that makes the gloss on the headlight. Supposedly a UV protection. It's a proactive liquid apparently, that's what it's labelled. I have no idea what that means. But yeah, put it on as evenly as I can, as smoothly as I can. And it already looks miles better. It says to leave it for 15 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's the next headlight that I'm going to do. That one's in much better condition, so I'm a bit more apprehensive of starting this one, to be honest. But with the results of the first headlight, can't really complain. Looks pretty good. So that's that. The headlight's just curing now in direct sunlight as it instructs, and then I'll probably fit it on the Civic. I don't know about the other one. I'm probably going to end up leaving that one. It's not yellowed, it's just got scratches on it and stuff, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that one. So as soon as that's cured, I'll probably then go to fitting them on the Civ. But well, that's most likely not going to happen today, so I'm sorry to blue ball you like that. But I will be fitting them on the Civic. And I'm going to get some smaller reg plates as well, just to give it that proper like import sort of look. But yeah, I'm going to leave it now for this one. So if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, click the bell so you get notified, and please subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Now sorry to interrupt, but unfortunately for me, when leaving the headlight to cure, that like clear coat that you saw, that nice smooth silky looking clear coat, it got loads of crap in it off the tree, which means I'm going to have to get another kit to do the pair of headlights. Now I'm going to go and do the second headlight, I've decided, but I'm going to have to get another kit to do the headlights, and I'll probably get it to that second stage, and then after that second stage what I'm going to most likely do is bring them inside, give them a clean, and then put the UV protection coating on that gives them that ultra glossy sort of look. So another bit of a fail for the EK9 build, but nevertheless I will buy another set, another pack if you like of that, and I've still got half of the set left. So in what I was saying earlier as well in the video, I'm in the middle of editing it now, but like I was saying earlier on in the video, I will then have like another single set if you like of abrasion pads of 800 grit, 1200, 2000 or whatever it is in that particular kit, to sort of use 1.5 per headlight. And I'll just get them both to the same stage at the same time and just work them that way rather than doing one at a time all the way through. I think it'll probably be quicker that way, but it was such a graft. I saw Josh Marshall do this, as it turns out, and that's what gave me the idea of doing it myself. So shout out to Josh Marshall for that, and also shout out to the boys at Unit 9. They did a bit of a podcast with us over the weekend, which was really cool, properly cool. So thank you very much, guys, for that. So that's it for my shout outs, if you like, for today. But yeah, thanks to Josh Marshall for giving me this idea, and also thanks to the Unit 9 guys, and again, as usual, I'll drop them on the screen. So anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye for now.